Welcome to Goldmine Investing, your one-stop channel dedicated to guiding you through the golden opportunities in the world of gold investing. In our last presentation, we explored why gold remains a valuable asset and introduced different ways to begin investing in it. Today we're diving a bit deeper. We'll journey through the fascinating history of gold, from its origins to its role as a currency, a symbol of wealth, and a safe haven in uncertain times. We'll also touch on the unique chemistry behind its symbol, AU, derived from the Latin aurum, meaning shining dawn, capturing both its brilliance and enduring value. For as long as civilization has existed, gold has captured the imagination of humanity. Archaeological evidence suggests that as far back as 5,000 years ago, gold was being used in ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China. To these early cultures, gold wasn't just a metal, it represented purity, immortality, and of course, wealth. Its natural beauty, malleability, and resistance to tarnish made it an ideal material for creating jewelry and symbolic artifacts. For instance, in ancient Egypt, gold was closely associated with the gods, especially the sun god Ra, and was believed to have divine properties. Pharaohs were often buried with gold items, underscoring its sacred and eternal nature. Fast forward a few centuries and gold begins to play a new role. Around 600 BCE, ancient kingdoms like Lydia in modern-day Turkey began minting the first gold coins. These coins, stamped with images symbolizing their rulers, marked the beginning of gold as a medium of exchange. Gold became a trusted and universally recognized currency, a far cry from the barter systems that came before. This marked a monumental shift in how society stored and transferred wealth, setting the stage for centuries of economic development. Gold's significance didn't stop at currency. By the time of the Roman Empire, gold was central to trade and taxation systems, influencing the rise and fall of economies. The Roman denarius, a gold coin, symbolized the wealth and power of the empire, and its widespread use facilitated trade across vast regions. Gold's scarcity and desirability made it a key measure of wealth and stability, a legacy that persists in today's financial systems. The allure of gold drove some of history's most significant events. The quest for gold spurred exploration and conquest, from the expeditions of Spanish conquistadors in the Americas to the California gold rush of 1848. These events not only reshaped economies but also led to mass migrations, technological advancements, and profound cultural shifts. Gold's role in shaping the modern financial system is equally profound. During the 19th and early 20th centuries, the gold standard established a direct link between a country's currency and its gold reserves. This system created a level of monetary stability and trust, as paper money was backed by tangible gold assets. Though the gold standard has since been abandoned, gold remains a cornerstone of global finance, held in reserves by central banks as a hedge against economic uncertainty. Today, gold's significance continues to evolve. Beyond its role as a financial asset, it's a key material in technology, used in electronics, aerospace, and medical devices due to its conductivity and resistance to corrosion. It also retains its status as a symbol of luxury and enduring value, featured in everything from high-end jewelry to awards and accolades like Olympic medals and the Oscars. In conclusion, gold's enduring appeal lies in its unique combination of physical properties, cultural significance, and economic utility. From ancient civilizations to modern markets, gold has shaped history in countless ways, making it a timeless treasure and an integral part of humanity's story. Gold's importance only grew as empires expanded. By the Middle Ages and into the Renaissance, European, Asian, and Middle Eastern empires all based their wealth on gold reserves. Gold became the foundation of many economies, often symbolizing power and prestige. Monarchs and rulers hoarded gold to demonstrate their authority and safeguard their wealth. Eventually, this fascination led to what we call the gold standard. Under this system, a nation's currency was directly tied to a fixed quantity of gold, ensuring that the paper money held real, tangible value. This concept brought a new level of trust and predictability to international trade, as currency backed by gold was universally respected. The gold standard became the global economic backbone by the late 19th century. For over a century, gold symbolized stability and trustworthiness in international trade. Nations with strong gold reserves could support stronger currencies, which fueled economic growth. The system also encouraged fiscal discipline, as governments could not print more money than their gold reserves allowed. However, the gold standard was not without its challenges. Economic pressures, particularly during major global conflicts like World War I and the Great Depression, exposed its limitations. As nations struggled to finance war efforts and economic recovery, the rigidities of the gold standard often exacerbated economic downturns. By the mid-20th century, most countries had abandoned the system in favor of more flexible monetary policies. Though the gold standard era officially ended, the legacy of gold-backed currency lives on. Even today, investors flock to gold during times of economic instability, viewing it as a safe haven asset. Central banks continue to hold significant gold reserves as a hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the unique chemistry of gold. Its chemical symbol, Au, comes from the Latin aurum, which translates to shining dawn. This name perfectly captures gold's qualities: bright, resilient, and beautiful. Unlike many other metals, gold does not oxidize or tarnish, allowing it to maintain its luster and shine over centuries. This property makes gold a natural choice for creating enduring artifacts, jewelry, and decorations. One of gold's most remarkable traits is its malleability and ductility. Its atomic structure allows it to be hammered into incredibly thin sheets, known as gold leaf, or drawn into fine wires without breaking. This makes it a versatile material, ideal for intricate craftsmanship in coins, jewelry, and even cutting-edge technology. Chemically, gold is one of the most stable elements on Earth. It resists corrosion and does not react with air or water, which explains its durability over millennia. Even strong acids have little effect on gold, with only a mixture known as aqua regia, a combination of nitric and hydrochloric acids capable of dissolving it. This extraordinary chemical stability underpins its role as a safe haven asset, as gold's intrinsic qualities make it a reliable store of value during economic turbulence. Gold's conductivity and resistance to tarnish also make it an essential material in modern industries. It is widely used in electronics, medical devices, and even space exploration, where reliability and performance are critical. This combination of physical, chemical, and economic properties ensures that gold remains one of the most unique and valuable substances on Earth. Throughout history, gold has been a preferred asset in times of uncertainty. Unlike stocks or real estate, gold isn't tied to the performance of a single company or market. Its value is often driven by global sentiment, making it a reliable safe haven. During financial crises, geopolitical tensions, or periods of inflation, investors turn to gold to preserve their wealth. This stability makes gold a powerful counterbalance in an investment portfolio, protecting against economic fluctuations. Gold's appeal as a safe haven is rooted in its intrinsic value. Unlike paper currencies or digital assets, gold is a tangible, finite resource that has maintained its purchasing power over centuries. During periods of hyperinflation or currency devaluation, gold's value often rises as confidence in traditional financial systems wavers. Its universal acceptance and portability make it an ideal asset for safeguarding wealth across borders and generations. The 2008 financial crisis highlighted gold's role as a refuge during market turmoil. As stock markets plummeted and financial institutions collapsed, gold prices soared, providing stability to investors who had diversified into this precious metal. Similarly, during the COVID-19 pandemic, economic uncertainty and unprecedented stimulus measures drove many investors to seek security in gold, pushing prices to record highs. Beyond individual investors, central banks and governments also rely on gold to anchor their financial systems. Many nations hold substantial gold reserves as a hedge against economic instability and to strengthen their currency's credibility on the global stage. Today, gold's significance continues to evolve. Beyond its role as a financial asset, it's a key material in technology, used in electronics, aerospace, and medical devices due to its conductivity and resistance to corrosion. It also retains its status as a symbol of luxury and enduring value, featured in everything from high-end jewelry to awards and accolades like Olympic medals and the Oscars. In conclusion, gold's enduring appeal lies in its unique combination of physical properties, cultural significance, and economic utility. From ancient civilizations to modern markets, gold has shaped history in countless ways, making it a timeless treasure and an integral part of humanity's story. In our last presentation, we discussed why investors should consider adding gold to their portfolios. Gold's long-standing reputation as a hedge against inflation, combined with its historical resilience, makes it a unique asset for wealth preservation and growth. Its low correlation with other asset classes means it can reduce overall portfolio risk while enhancing long-term returns. So, are you ready to continue your journey in gold investing? Here at Goldmine Investing, we're here to guide you through the complexities, making gold investing accessible and understandable. Whether you're exploring physical gold, ETFs, or mining stocks, the timeless allure of gold awaits. Let's unlock its potential together and subscribe to Goldmine Investing and take your first steps toward growing your wealth with confidence. With each new insight, you'll gain the knowledge needed to navigate the golden landscape like a pro.